Hi, I'm Micajah Truitt. I'm the summer Springboard instructor at UCSD, that's University of California, San Diego, for the Filmmaking and Drone Cinematography class. I got my Bachelor of Fine Arts at TCU, and then I got my Master of Fine Arts at the University of Washington. I started teaching at the college level at about 2000, and then I've been teaching with Summer Springboard since a couple years ago. And even before all of that, I was teaching with teenagers in outdoor education. Currently, I'm a full-time professor at Southwestern College in Chula Vista, California. In this course, students are going to learn some of the fundamentals of videography. We're going to start with the story, so that's where we get into storyboarding and narrative, and then we're going to get into some classic recipes for shots, some things like punch-in shots, establishing shots, and then we'll also apply that to drones. Before we get the drones in the air, we're going to learn about the truss exam and kind of rules and regulations and safety precautions with drones. And then we'll apply some of those same fundamentals that we do on the ground up in the air with the drones, and kind of learn some of the other special things that drones can do, like orbits, flyovers, pullback shots. I'm looking forward to seeing all the students in class. I'm excited and passionate about this art form. It's something I love to do myself, and I hope to relay that passion to others.